Welcome back. Main tasks involved in event planning. These are understanding research activities, creating unique design for the event, selecting an ideal site and venue, catering arrangements, making arrangements for transportation, creating unique invitation card and dispatching them to the guests, coordinating and supervising workers, evaluation of events. The 5 Ws of event planning. To achieve a successful event, these 5 Ws must be considered. Who? Before you can pick a location, a theme, a schedule of event, you need to know who you are inviting. When? Once you have your guest list, you can look at your calendar and determine the best day and time for the event. Where? Again, where you host your event will depend on how many people are coming, their ages, and the formality of the event. What? The team will help you narrow down what type of food and decoration to get and will set the tone for how formal or informal the feel of the party is. Why? Knowing your why is the first step in organizing a successful company event. Do you have certain talking points about business that you want to discuss? Do you want to avoid work talk altogether and just have fun? Are you planning this event or outing to acknowledge a certain team member or celebrate a milestone? When your why is clear, you have a solid foundation to build your plans upon. We have come to the end of Unit 1. I will be glad to answer your questions where you don't understand. Thank you.